In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block sending images on Discord. This is an incredibly useful tool for managing your Discord server, ensuring that it remains a safe and welcoming place for all its members. Whether you're aiming to keep the content appropriate for all ages, minimize distractions, or simply control the type of content shared, you'll find this walkthrough invaluable. Let's start from the beginning. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Discord. You can easily do this by typing in the Discord URL into your address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the login screen. At this juncture, it's time to log into your account. Start by entering your email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure to input this accurately to avoid any login issues. After you've filled in your email, proceed to type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure that you're typing it in exactly as it was set up. If you're confident everything is correctly entered, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Discord home screen. Now that you're logged into Discord, you should be looking at your Discord home. This is where all your direct messages and server interactions begin. From here, finding your way to the specific server you want to apply the image blocking setting to is your next step. Look through your server list and click on the server where you want to make this adjustment. Once you've selected your server, locating the server settings should be your next move. This is typically represented by a gear icon next to the server name. Clicking this will take you to a variety of server settings and options where you can manage different aspects of your server's functionality and appearance. In the server settings menu, look for the edit channel option. This option allows you to modify the settings for individual channels within your server. It's here that you can truly begin to customize your server's communication preferences. After clicking Edit Channel, proceed to find the Permissions tab. This is where you can manage what members and roles within the channel are allowed to do. The permissions are quite detailed, so take your moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't already done so. Now for the crucial part, disabling the ability to attach files. Look through the list of permissions until you find Attach Files. You'll want to toggle this option off. Disabling this prevents users from being able to attach and send images in the channel you are editing. It's a simple yet effective way to control the kind of content shared in your community. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully adjusted the settings to block the sending of images in a Discord channel. Remember, these settings are specific to each channel, so if you have multiple channels where you want to enforce this rule, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of parting tips. Always communicate with your server members about changes to the server settings to ensure they understand the reason behind them. It helps in maintaining a positive and transparent community environment. Also, regularly review your server settings. As your community grows and evolves, you may find the need to adjust settings to better fit the community's needs. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to block sending images on Discord. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful for managing your Discord servers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Discord experience.